Jessica and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about wearing sunglasses with wigs. And I know that might sound a little bit of an odd topic, but there are just a couple things that I encountered when I first started wearing wigs with my sunglasses, and I just thought I would talk to you guys about it. Let's just hop right on in. So first things first, I love wearing aviator style sunglasses. It's a style that I've worn for years, and the way I used to wear them sometimes when I actually had real hair, of course, before it fell out, I would just wear the sunglasses on the top of my head, kind of like it was a headband. And sometimes, you know, my real hair would get a little bit tangled in those nose pads, but it wasn't really that much of an issue. And fast forward now with me wearing wigs, and I, of course, was wearing my aviator sunglasses on the top of my head just because I was used to it. It was a huge habit of mine, which I had to break. And the reason why is because for some reason, maybe it's because these wigs have more hair, I'm not exactly sure, but it's like the hair is attracted to those nose pads. And I'll show you guys what I'm not gonna put it on my head to show you what it looks like to be tangled because I'm not risking that. I'm gonna show you with the nose pads. So this is what I am talking about, like the little nose pad parts. So the little nose pad parts on the aviator sunglasses, this is what it is. And man, I'm just not willing to risk losing any of these precious strands of hair by putting this on top of my head. So now I just normally just throw them in my purse. And something else that I also noticed wearing sunglasses with my wigs is, again, the hair just loves to just go everywhere and just get tangled in everything. So even like this little plastic part, I kind of noticed like the hair would go into there. I do buy cheaper sunglasses, so maybe that's the reason, because I do mistreat these babies. I'm just like, whatever, I'm done with them. So I did buy a new pair recently. I actually just bought these. These don't have any nose pads. I've worn them a couple times so far, and just for fun, I did put them on the top of my head and haven't had any issues with the hair getting tangled in any parts of this. So I think officially I have switched to a new style of sunglasses. I'm a little bit bummed about that, but again, I do like putting them on the top of my head. It's just a habit, you know, let's take it as it is. Another little thing that I noticed with sunglasses and my wigs is, of course, putting them on. Because for those of you that do actually wear wigs, there is like a little part in the front that goes in front of your ear, like a little bit of a tab. And man, in the beginning, I would just accidentally put my sunglasses on like this, so that it was over a lot of the hair. My husband would look at me and be like, you might need to adjust that. It looks a little bit different than how other normal people would wear sunglasses. So now I do have to make sure that, you know, I put it a little bit under the hair. I do put it over that tab, but I do make sure that, again, the sunglasses are a little tucked in. There are occasions where I still make that mistake for some reason. I still just put the sunglasses on really quick over my head, and it's pretty much on the outside of my head. So that is something I still do think about. So that's pretty much it. Just a couple little tidbits for you guys about sunglasses and wigs that I had to learn firsthand on how to deal with it. And so yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, let me know. And thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day, and subscribe. Bye.